and welcome to my channel. My name is Abby and on my channel I mostly make fashion videos and then the rest is basically anything that takes my fancy at the moment in time. If you want to get to know me more, then don't forget to subscribe so that you can know every time that I make new videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Cardi B Club C shoes in collaboration with Reebok. You guys know that I'm a fan of like trainers over on this channel, like just shoes in general really. Anything interesting, like I'm all over it. And when I heard about this collaboration, I was like, let me see what it's about, because I know Cardi B has like a big personality, so I was sure that the shoe was going to be interesting and I was just curious really. I'm always curious. So I've got the pair of shoes here. They came in this really nice black box and it's kind of matte and then it says Reebok and then / Cardi B on the front. I got the shoes in the core black with red colour, so I'm going to show them to you guys now. So this is what they come like. Oh, they have that new leather shoe smell that is just, it's unbelievable. I love it. The tissue paper has Cardi B and then it has the Reebok logo on it as well. It looks really cool. So this is what one shoe looks like. And on first impression, I'm going to say this looks a bit big for me. I'm a typical UK 6. And I got this in my exact size. I got this in a UK 6 and it looks kind of long, but we'll see when we put it on. This is a statement shoe. This isn't like you're just trying to blend in when you wear this. This is definitely to make a statement and I love that. So this is what the two of them look like. Very cool pair of shoes. The platform on this is about 5 centimeters, so it's gonna definitely give you some height, which is quite cool. I do love the look of platform shoes. I think they just add a little something. But yeah, initial impressions, this is just really nice. So as I said, we've got the leather upper with the classic Reebok silhouette going on at the top. And then we have lace up detail all the way to the top so that you can have your tighter fit. The lining of the shoe is like a really nice textile fabric. Really nice, really comfy and really soft. And then you get the translucent midsole and outsole combination, which I think looks pretty cool. This particular colorway is coal black, so that's the leather here, and then you have vector red on the sole and also on the tips of the shoelaces just there. The shoe comes in 4 different colorways. It comes in the coal black with the vector red, it comes in crisp purple, it comes in cloud white, and it also comes in the Sahara color. I went for the black just because it's my favorite. I'm obsessed with black. I feel like it's so easy to style and I love things that I don't have to think so hard about before I style, and black does that perfectly for me. If you wanted like to make a true statement, I really think like the crisp purple would do that, but for me, I'm a simple kind of girl and I like stuff that I can wear over and over again, so black for me was enough of a statement. As I said, this is definitely a shoe that's gonna catch attention. This isn't just a casual, I'm just going to pop round to the corner kind of shoe. This is definitely, you wear this when you're trying to make a point. I feel like this would go really well with like, I know it's like so typical of me, but it would go really well with black jeans. I can just imagine black skinny jeans would look so good with this. Also dresses, the kind of dresses that look good with trainers would look good with these because they sort of have a smart feel to them. Like they look quite smart as well. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but it also has the logo on the back in rose gold as well. So you have it on the back on suede and then on the sides here, and then you also get it on the tongue all in rose gold, and I just like those little touches. I personally am really picky when it comes to black trainers just because I feel like it's so easy for them to just look blacked out and then you can't really see the detail. But what I love about this is though it's black, you still have the red contrast going on the midsole and the outer sole, so it looks really cool. I really love that, and it just doesn't look like your ordinary shoe. Like you're not just gonna see it and be like just a pair of regular Reeboks. So I definitely think there's a Cardi B stamp on this. Like it definitely has character, and you guys know that's what Cardi B is all about, like personality. That's what these shoes are saying. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what they look like on as well. I'm going to do like an on feet clip so you can get a better idea of what they look like on. say to stick to your regular size. I'm a 6 and this has a good amount of toe space at the front, which is always good, always comfy. I wouldn't think I would need to size down at all. It does look like quite a big shoe, but I think that's because of the sole more so than the actual upper being bigger than normal. I'm really happy with it. It's so comfortable and really bouncy as well. So I can tell that this is something I could have on for ages and not have to worry about. So this retailed at £85, which I think is a really reasonable price for a trainer. These days shoes are, you're looking over the £100 mark. So £85 I think is very reasonable, especially for an exclusive collaboration. I think that's like a really good price and more accessible for like her fan base, because obviously when you have a fan base, there'll be people on all kinds of ends of the spectrum, and you want like majority of the people that love and follow you to be able to afford something special that you put out. So I really do appreciate the price point. It's very reasonable in my opinion. I'm also aware that there was some gym wear that she had on in the campaign for this shoe, which matched it really perfectly. So that's really cool as well. It wasn't just shoes that she did. I think she did like a whole range of activewear, which is really cute. Like I really like that. What a brand to collaborate with. Reebok, I don't know if it gets enough credit, you know. They've been around for so long and they deliver, like they do quality. So yeah, really good collaboration, really cool shoe. I can't complain so far. Really happy with that. Let me know what you think about the shoe in the comments. Personally, I'm a fan. I love stuff that's a bit out of the box, and this is definitely it really. This didn't disappoint. Very Cardi B, I would say. So yeah, that's it for my little unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this collaboration, or if you got the shoes in different colours as well. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.